Module 20, finishing up report options, and final. We have order, calendar, admin, Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, we will finish up the report options. We will also implement all the views for our reports. Our customer management system is final. If any one of you guys would like to see how I develop certain system, comment below this video, and if there are enough interest, I will make time for it. Let's go finishing up all CMS. Alright, we're going to try to finish up the report options and start making our reports. Let's go to the Access Projects folder. Let's make a copy of this part 2, module 20, part 2. Control C, Control V, and you know what? Let's say finish up report options. All right, let's go in there. Let's open it up and enable. All right, what we want to do here, we'll go ahead and add the report options in here. All right, but before we do that, let's change this guy to 4. We are going to move all reports to the top. So let's change this guy around. That's 4. This is 3. The order is 2. And then add new one here, double click it, and then RPT report options option, and then we're going to change that to nav main 1, and then let's move it to the top like so. Oh, don't forget, let's call it reports like so. All right, Control S and go in the code. This shouldn't be too hard. I'm going to copy this last one. No, yeah, that's fine. Last one, copy and delete that one, because that number 4 will be that. So we're going to do this, and we'll call this report option, report option like so. And then change this guy to 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. That's good. Control S and good. We got nav color here. That's all we need to do there. While we add it, let's go to the customer search right here. Uncomment this out. And then comment this out. Don't delete it, just in case we decide to come back and start doing some testing. And that should be good. All right, control. Yeah, let's close all, and let's take a look at. Ooh, what happened to all report? Hey. Huh. What happened? What happened? That should be Ooh, what happened? It didn't move our target in there. Let's go find our target. You see that? It removed our target. That should be that guy. Control S. That's better. Chewy. Alright, let's take a look. Make sure all is good. Good. See this guy? Good. We haven't done anything to these guys. Alright, so let's fix this guy. Let's fix that guy. Actually, we need to go to report option screen. Alright, let's go in here. Let's go to the code. Alright, let's do the build SQL. This shouldn't be much. So we're gonna copy, let's see. Yeah, let's do this. Copy. Oops, not there. The invoice. This would be order invoice. And then we're going to put a dash. And this would be CBO order number. And we don't care about this guy. Take that out. And this should be order, query order invoice. Where order number equals CBO order number. Remove that bottom one. And that should be good right there for that guy. Let's work with this guy. Copy that. Now this one has other options. So we're going to say if me option customer option equals 1, that means all, then else, and if. So here we can just pop this guy in there. And let's do this. This way, customer list all query customer list. And before I'm just going to copy this one for now, and now I can just remove this guy. Else. Are you following me? And then we just take this all out. By state and 1. That means the second column. Alright, that means second column. And here we say state province equals CBO state province column. Oops. We gotta make sure it knows the column. Alright. So there are two columns. One index number 0, column 2 index 1. So if you look at this guy, let's go to state right here. Oh no, you know what? There's only one column. Okay, good. That means we don't have to do this. We can just do that like that. Alright, good. Oh, that's a product that I was thinking. Okay, that was the product that I was thinking. Now we're just gonna copy this guy and put in the product section like so, and change this option to product option, and then here we'll say product list all and query product, I think it's product by category. Alright, and here we'll say product list dash, and here's where we need to say category column 1. Alright, and here we say query product by category where category ID equals column 0. Alright, that's what I want. So I was going to show you that. So look at this guy. Right there. See the two columns there? The first one being the ID, the second one being the name. If you scroll down, yeah, and it binds to the first one. You see that, number 1? So that being the 0 and 1. Alright? So keep in mind. Keep in mind. Alright. That looks good to me. What do you think? Now, I'm scrolling down to find the report type. I'm going to copy this guy again and go to the view. Where's my view? Right here. This guy is, copy that, delete that, and don't forget, this is a case right here. I'm going to put that right there. Alright, and I'm just going to copy this guy, copy, paste, and we're just going to fix it, the name of the report later. Paste. So this would be RPT no, this is order invoice. Look at the report name on the left hand side here. See there, order invoice. This would be RPT customer list RPT. We're going to do product by category first, by category, and then we'll do the product by category with image later. Alright, let's get this guy going first. So that's that. Now, before we go to the PDF and the print, we want to make sure all these guys work first. Alright, so that looks good to me. We'll find out, won't we? We will find out. Let's close that out. So we know this guy works. So let's take a look. Just open one up. Perfect. How about this guy? Dandy. How about this guy? Let's do all first. Ooh. Something's not right there. Cancel. Oh. It says I don't see this guy. So, let's close that out. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the report. Why the other two work. Let's look at this guy. Query. Account statement. Let's go look at the query. Account statement. Let's compare this guy and this guy. Customer list. The customer list is this guy right here. That's the one that's not working. This guy, and this is a query customer list. All right. So let's compare the two. So the customer's got this guy, customer, company, and this one doesn't. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. I'll go ahead and close this. Yeah. Customer list. That one does not have this company stuff. Huh. Well, so we need to move this guy into this guy and make sure the name does not collide. See this company name for the customer list? And there's a company name here, you see there? Let's fix that before we move that guy over. All right, let's go in here. Oops. Let's go in here. I'm gonna copy that right there, and then just say customer, company name, and then just do that. That way the name don't get mixed up. Control S. Now the easiest way to get here, this guy, is to go inside here and see how it says select company here. We're gonna select everything with the company, beginning from there all the way to company slogan, company image file, and that's it. Copy to that comma, copy, and then we're gonna come back in here, go into this guy right here, right in front of that customer, paste. It's got a comma. Now from here we can just put company, comma. See there? And we should have everything we need. All right, I'm gonna move this guy here. So we got company name there. Make sure we have customer company name here. Right there, customer company name. Now in the report, then Control S. We're gonna close this out. We got that guy, and we don't need to do anything there. Now go back to the report. Look at this guy, and that's the reason why it doesn't show up, because it doesn't know what it is. This right here is no longer, see that it say, hey, what are you talking about here? It's no longer a what happened to expression? Hold on. Oh, this guy. Oh, something's not right there. Let's try that again. Close. Let's go back to the query. And we thought we're done with it. I'm gonna close this property sheet. What's going on? Hold on. Okay. Yeah, cities. First one, city. Okay. We have more than 2 cities in here. Let's call this customer city. As a matter of fact, we don't even need that. Well, let's go ahead and do it. You know what? It's not in here. I know it's not in here. It has to be in here. Because the reason why I know it's not this guy is because we don't have conflict out here. See, the company has address, company. Yeah, company has company, city, state, you see. So I know it's not out here. It has to be in the search text. So let's go in the search text. I bet you it's in here. Company name. So we can say customer. Actually, we need to put a bracket in front of that guy. Yeah, this is what you do as a programmer. And see right here, there are 2 cities in there. Alright, so now we can just say customer. And similarly, this guy is going to keep walking at us if we don't replace this guy, because the same name in the company. Customer. For example, see there? That's a company table. And if we move this guy, see there? City, state, province. City, state, province. That's why you need to distinguish between which one are you referring to here. Alright, so that should be good. Control S. Let's run this. Okay. Oh, right here. Right here, my bad. Right here, my bad. Sorry. So this would be customer, and this would be, yeah. So wherever you have this name, you gotta make sure this guy is like that, even the zip code. Alright, even the zip code. So that's what happened when you put the names the same way on our tables. But that's alright, as long as you know how to get it going. Alright. And we're gonna change this guy. That shouldn't matter, but we'll go ahead and change this guys anyways. Alright. Just so that we don't have issues. Customer city. And then cost customer dot city. Say where else? Wherever, yeah, this guy same way. Let's go ahead and start doing this. Okay, that's good. Okay, so as long as it opens up here, that means we're good. Alright. Now we just need to massage all report. Control save, yes. Now let's go to the report. We need to massage all report now. This is the thing that you need to fix. So we got this guy. See, this is good. Alright. Let's see. Open up that property. This right here is not a company, it's a customer company. This guy, you see there? Alright, and same here. We want to sort by customer company, like so. And this is, ooh, which one is this? You see there? So let's go in there and change this guy as well, because yeah, this state province here. Oh, okay, okay, because the company is different, right? Look at the company. Yeah, company called city state. No. Let's see what the company says. Company state. Okay, good. So that's the thing. You have to we have to make sure that they are not the same. So that's good. It all looks good. All looks good. All right. Control S, and let's take a peek. Print preview. Header. Header. Okay. No problem. We forgot the header. Let's go into one of these guys. I'm gonna go in here. As a matter of fact, yeah, we don't have to go in here, but I'm gonna go in here, and there's a header in here. Remember I told you got to keep the header in there? Well, actually, yeah, that's fine. Copy that. Close. Go back to this guy. You know what? You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, we got a header here. We can just pull this guy in there. Jack. Now that I'm thinking about it, see there right here? It's got the, yeah, that's what we've been using. So let's do that. Let's do that. Well, this is part of programming, mister. So Let's go in there and just remove this guy. That's all. That's it. And company CD. Oh, this guy. Yep. So let's move that as well. Good. Okay. Now we can pull the other guy in. That way we don't have to massage stuff, you know. And then we have to reformat and all that. Control S. I'm going to copy this guy. Hopefully they don't collide now. And put it right there in our first field. Let's take a look. Perfect. Good. Whew. We should have done that at first place, right? I wasn't even thinking. You see, I was just moving my mouth. Let's see. I was going to put that in the back. That's all right. That's not. Yeah, I'm not going to go through that trouble. So now we should be good. We should be good now. Let's take a look. Yes. So we don't have to do anything now. All right. So, all right. Let's take a look. That's better. Whew. Now, how about the bar state? Watersfield, Alberta. Look at that. That's what you have to do. You know, as a we need to format. Do you need to format? Do you care? I'll let you fix that one. That's pretty easy right there. You know, that's a part of being a programmer. Is that, hey, you got to come up with a solution. You're going to run into bugs and something's not going right, but your goal is to get that thing right. Now let's check this guy out. Look at that. How about our category? Not too shabby. All's working. It is going to be pretty fast. Look at that. Touring. See there? And that's good. And that's good. Once we get this view going, this PDF and print, nothing at all. Let's take a look at one more. I'm getting only one there. How about this mountain? One there. But you see how I did it though? Alright. I might be moving a little fast on you if you're newbies. Alright. But the best thing is that you have is you got a video so you can go back and forth. Alright. Alright. Now let's do the PDF. PDF shouldn't be too bad. Alright. PDF shouldn't be too bad. Alright. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm going to copy this guy because essentially it's the same thing, right? So I'm going to copy the entire thing. You got to build first. You got to build SQL, all right? And now I'll go ahead and put this guy up there, all right? And change this one to, you know what? I'm going to keep that one there. Now, if you want to view, you want to send it to a printer, all you do is like this, view normal. All right, view normal like so. Let me show you. I'm going to take that out like that. Okay, that's what you want to do. View normal, send it to a printer, but I'm not going to, because even if I did, you won't see it. All right, so but that's the print. But essentially, the view and the print is the same thing, just this different setup here. But here's the dandy part. Here's the dandy part. We did the order here somewhere, right here. See there, the print. I did this one. Remember this? I'm just going to use this guy right here and this guy. because it's already there. All right. Now, oh, not that one. My bad. PDF right here. Ooh. So I'm going to take that out. And oh, that didn't look too. Yeah. Like so. All right. Now I'm going to copy it again because it's in the right location. Come over here. It's just repetitive, and you just have to fix it where it's going to do the job for you. All right. So this one is okay here. All right. So what we want to do here, okay, let's think about this. What kind of name you? First off, we don't want it to be this guy. Let's change his name to PDF report. All right. So let's go to folder module, folder name module, folder name right here. Let's change that to PDF. PDF. And then I'm going to copy that. Oops. There. Now you have to go to the main navigation. Remember this one? And scroll down. This is where it creates a folder. So we're going to say PDF. That's it. That's all you have to do. Control S, save. Now go to the folder here. Delete this invoice report. There. Alright. Let's get back to our program. Close that out. We got that. Close that out. And here we can change this guy to PDF. Oops. PDF. I'm just going to copy that. Like so. Like so. Alright, now let's think about this. This being the account statement. If we use the customer ID, that's going to be too long. What we want to do, we want to identify the file name. Make sure that the file name is understood. You know, when you type in file name, you got to know what the file name is. You don't want to put the gibberish in there. One thing what we could do, let's go to the form. Let me see the property here. Okay, there you go, the property. This guy right here, that's a customer ID. Let's make a copy of that. We're gonna call this customer number. TXT customer number. Alright, and now we can go to display customer right here. Me text customer number equals old customer dot customer number. You see that? Yeah, your goal is to be able to come up quickly. The solution. Come up with the solution quickly. So this being a statement, I want now to give it a name. First is the month name. Tag the year name, year, and customer number. You see there? So now we know that we are putting the account number for the month, the year for this customer. That's how you want to do. You make sure you understand that part, that portion. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Alright. Now this one, I'm going to copy this bottom one here. Put it up there. While we're at it, go ahead and copy the second one. Oh, that's already there. Third, customer. Fourth, product. Like so. Now let's fix up the name. It's important that we fix up the name. So this is the invoice. Oh, this invoice is easy. Leave everything the same. All we have to do is CBO order number. That's it. That's it, because the order number is unique. Alright? Unique. Now, if you want to be a little fancy like I did, All right, and like we did up here, we can do this. Let's see, order, and then I'm gonna do underscore. Oh, not there. Right there. Underscore, like so. So it's going to give the order number underscore with that customer number, a name or number. Then you know that this order is for this customer. That's how that works. That's how that works. And this guy is pretty simple. All we do is just say, yeah, all we do is just say customer list. That's it. Similarly, customer list. All right. So that should be it. That should be it. Let's take a peek. See any barking from this mad dog. Close. All right. All right. Moment of truth. Let's get the customer. Perfect. Look at that. Account statement for September 2021. Look at this name. September 2021 for customer. You see there? You see there? That's pretty good. Now, one thing I just noticed, because I gave this guy underscore right here, you can do the same thing right here. You know, so that you are consistent. All right, and we're gonna come in here and delete this guy. See there? That's pretty good there, Mister. So looks like I know what I'm doing on that. All right, so let's get new customer. Ooh, what the heck is this? Order. Customer search. Oh, yeah, you know what? Okay, so now I see the issues now. Is that customer list that we did. Well, let's go fix it. Let's go fix it. We don't like that. I don't like it. Yes. Let's go fix that. Okay. No harm done. No harm done. Yeah. Let's take a look at something here. See, that's repeated. Something is repeating. So I want to see something here. Well, this is good. You know what? Let's take a look at that thing again. Let's take a look at that thing again. That report. What is it? What is it looking at? Yeah. Let's look at it again. What is it looking at? Customer number. Customer. But we need to hide that guy. Why Lotus? Repeated. Somehow this guy is not even this guy, because this guy's got different contacts. So it's a customer number. Oh, okay. I think I know where it is. Let's do this. That guy should be Whew. And now this guy is the customer. Customer city. Right there. Okay. And the rest should be fine. Let's take a look. Yep. Okay. Alright. And we'll go ahead and hide this guy. This guy was visible. Whew. Okay. No harm done. Yeah, good thing I was looking at the contact. Now if the contact were the same, then we're in deep doodle. Alright, I didn't, yeah, now let's try that again. That's better. Whew. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Just have to recognize what you're looking at, I guess. Now let's go to outstanding. Is there, okay. So now we got to change that. So now, see this customer, company name, and customer city. Let's go in here. Let me show you. Customer city right here. And then put the customer right here in front. That's all you have to do. The rest is good. The rest is good. It just recognize it. Try that again. Let's click on, what was it, outstanding, like that. See there? Oh, we got a couple of them there. Good. There you go. So that's good. Not bad. Let's see. There's only one record. Is there anyone that has a little more than that? Anyone that has any more than that? No. It's one each day. Let's go find another one that has more than just one record per. How about engineering? Okay, that's got two. All right, still is November. All right, this is November 2021. All right, now let's. There you go. That's good. You done it, mister. You done it, mister. All right. It's 5 a.m. Let's. So if you really want to be a programmer, you gotta code day in, day out, night and day. All right. Just like I'm very enthusiastic about putting out these videos for you. If you notice, the videos I put out, it's almost like a daily routine, a daily ritual. All right, let's close this out. Let's take a look at other ones. We want to make sure all is right. So that's good. How about the PDF? Look at that. Order. Now looking at this right here. Order 05 underscore customer. All right. And then we got customer right here. Same thing. So that's what you want to do when you do your report. All right. When you do your report. That looks good. That looks good. Oh, now why does it, wait a minute, why does it open two of them? I bet you we left something in there. Oh, let's go in there. We might have left something in there. Close out that guy. PDF right here. Oh, duh. You see there? I thought, didn't we? I don't say. I don't see. Oh, okay. You see there? That's why. We gotta take that do command out. Do open report there. Huh. Alright. Whew. Good. Well, good thing you got good eyes, mister. That's better. Good. This is gonna be quick. Let's see this guy. Nice. Customer list all. and then we just go ding, ding, ding. All right. And how about by state? Alberta. Look at that. 13 of them. Good. Let's see, California. See California? And there are only 65 customers. How about PDF? Nice. Do you like that? Well, like I said, you have been doing very good if you're following me up this far. Okay. And that's all. Product list all. Look at that. Nice. This one is PC82. Let's take a look at PC82. Oh, we don't see the yeah. What is that PC82? Let's get back in there. We want to see the name. That one seems to have, yeah. HL Mountain Flame. Alright, HL Mountain Flame. Alright, it's looking for HL Mountain Flame, right? That guy. What do they have? Oh, that's 80. Oh, well, you see what you see there? So there could be more than one HL mountain frame. Oh, that's ML. HL. Oh, it's HL. How about H? Oh, this guy. Let's see that guy. No, that's M. We're looking for HL. HL. I think we should order this guy. What do you think? Let's see if we can order that. Let's order that, cause that really gets me. Order right here. Let's order that. Order by category name. That's it. All right, let's try again. So we got it out there. We look for HL frame. What's HL mountain frame? Is it HL? I don't see HL. HL mountain tire mountain pedal. Oh, right here. Whoo, that's better. Okay, that's better. Well, we got to it. We found it. Okay, that's what I wanted to display. The 10 of them. The reason why I just want to see more instead of just one. So we got different names in here, different categories, different items. That's that. All right, that's that. Remember we had the red. Remember we highlight red somewhere. Oh, there. We found it. This one is Mountain 100. Let's go look Mountain 100. MOU 100. This guy. Look at that. That is nice and dandy. We are done. I think we are done. So the project for you though the project for you is that you can add activities here, all right, where a user just add, okay, we got a phone call, and then just add blah 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 in there. And if you can do that, like I've shown you here, from module 1 to here, from the first day to here, then you're good. All right. So to add the activity, just follow this administration, these forms right here, and you'll be able to do it. All right, and you'll be able to do it. All right. So that is that for the CMS. And if you have come this far, I want to congratulate you. You have learned a great deal how to do things. All right. And these are good looking items with colorful tab menu, side menu. You notice the red, orange, what is it, brownish, orange, blue. This is the same thing right here. All right. So that's that. Now the reason why this guy is blue here, because it's selected. If I move it to here, it should grab that same color as admin. Let me see. Oh no, it's a green. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that's a selected one. All right, so that should be green. No. Oh well. Anyways, but that's yeah. But that's that. That is that. So let's see. What did we do here? Yeah, I show you this guy. But what needs to happen here, we can go ahead and remove this guy since all the reports are now here. All right, so let's do that. Let me do one more, and then we're gonna call it a day, because we have come so far, and you have been great, great viewers and followers. And this guys right here is called, before we do that, view and print. So we're going to remove the view and print buttons. And then right here, view and print. But before I do that, well, that's alright. I just remove these guys, those two guys, and you're not done yet. There are other places that has CM print. Let's go find it. See there, that's why. Alright, so wherever you see print and view, remove them, because it's going to bark at you. Alright, so there. Good. Let's go to, there you go. You gotta remove these guys, remember? It's gonna bark at you. Right here I see print and view. Wherever you see print and view, remove. Good. We can't find them anymore. Alright. So, but yeah, again, congratulations if you have been following me from day one. Alright. Let's take a look. Make sure. Not, there you go. Good. Alright. You have done great. We have come a long way. We've done a whole bunch of stuff in here. You see that? This is not Mickey Mouse stuff. This is a real life situation. All right. This is called real world application. And if you can code the way I code here, you can find a job anywhere. Companies love people who can develop applications. So, but that's the yeah. So we've got, you know, the pop-up. This is all reusable, by the way. All the code that I shown you here, like I have been saying, in this query, you don't see any hard code in here anywhere, and you need to stay away from hard coding at all costs. All right, and stay away with macros. All right, macros don't do well. Okay, so this application, you can take this application. If Office comes up with a new version, this application is bulletproof because it's all done in code. You see, we got these are class objects right here. All right, we separate them out by DB access. We identify them by DB access. All right, and there are also all other functions here, like Excel's DB access. These are good right here. All right, so if you take a look at each one of these files, you have done a great job. All right, not a whole lot in here, but they are useful, and you can port all these out there. Okay, so we didn't get to use this add, delete, and update, but it's out there. Okay, file function, get extension name, get file name, select file, delete. You see there, these are all valuable if you're going to be working with become a programmer. And you know what, this resize image, has a bonus right there too. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and it's a straightforward. All right, nothing hard, just recognizing what needs to happen. All right, we use this to identify, to make it easier on us. All right, instead of using the name and start typing the name in code, we use constant to replace the name that we should be typing. You see, instead of just typing FRM customer, FRM order, we just use constant. Then it's easier for us to maneuver around, to debug. All right, so constants are good. Okay, just recognize that. And here's identity. We did this one. This one is awesome right here. This is building a grid. All right, and you should always use a grid as an ID. Stay away from auto number unless you have to. All right, now I did auto number only one time. That was the month name. All right, this guy, see, auto number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now remember, oh no, this is not auto number. I don't think so, because because if we I mentioned this, because we want the number to jive with the month name. All right, that's why you are able to edit this guy. But in here, in all these tables, there are no auto number. All right, just keep in mind. Well, what is our next project? What is our next project? We've done a lot. I guarantee you have put in more than 5,000 lines of code here. I think so. That's a lot of, yeah, combined with this code behind and the classes and modules. Oh, that's got to be more than 5,000 lines of code at the minimum. All right, but anyways, we are done finally. I am thinking that looks pretty good, by the way. So yeah, I'm thinking what to do next. I can port this guy to SQL Server. All right, let me show you. We can go in here. I can show you how to move all these stuff to SQL Server, because the way we code, it will conform to the backend, SQL Server backend, and you don't have to do anything. It's just going to work the way it is. So when you code, you want to make sure that you have a platform that you can fall onto. We can put that in here. All right, those are the samples. I haven't done much in here. All right. Well, not at all. These were when we were getting customers and products and category in there. Um, but I can do that. All right. That's not hard at all. And all the code that you've done here, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything with this code. It's just that simple. All right. When you code it right, you don't have to do anything. Okay. So if you wanted me to show you how to port this to the backend SQL Server backend, you let me know, because that's not biggie at all. I mean, that's my daily job. All right. That's my day job. I'm a SQL person. I develop database. Okay. So we can port that. Now, the only thing that you would be concerned with, is this table names right here. All right. So when we port that, we will not use these guys, these tables. All right. We would have to massage these guys. Well, as a matter of fact, we don't need to use these guys, but we would have to massage these guys, these queries, to make sure that they don't look at these. Well, we don't have these tables if we port it in, to make sure that this query looks at the link tables. All right. Look at link tables. That's all. If you modify these right here, and change the name in the DB access to look at the link table instead of these access tables, that's all you have to do. Now the front end and the code behind, you don't have to touch anything. It all just works that way. All right. So there you have it. Like I said, if you have come this far, pat yourself in the back and call yourself a programmer. All right. And if you did not make any boo-boo, or minimum, I have made boo-boos, but you were able to correct your boo-boo quickly, you can call yourself a developer as well. All right. All right. Anyway, that's my rant. Happy programming. And final, I'm gonna come up with new project to help you guys out. But in the meantime, you comment under this video what you would like for me to show you. All right. We want a project. Okay. I don't want to show bits and pieces like most of videos out there, because showing you bits and pieces is not going to make you any good. But showing you how to develop from ground up like this one, this is how you're going to become a better programmer. All right. So comment below this video. Let me know what you would like to see. The more the merrier. And then I can just think about it and I will help you out. Nothing is beyond programmers. Programmers, they can do things. All right. So like I said, happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.